Hi, hello guys. So good morning to all my friends and followers. God bless you all. So now is special day to my daughter. My daughter is birthday today. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Kanta
Ako
kasi.
pala, birthday ko na yun.
Sabi mo, it's
It's
my birthday. Special day.
The birthday is
Special day. Halika, dali. Mamaya na, kumanta ka muna ng happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, baby kids. Kiss mami.
Bakit ko alam?
Happy birthday muna. Happy birthday.
Dito yo.
Thanks God for another birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Tapos,
Halika na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby.
Walang
So,
ko
tagal
ano.
natin na.
tapos,
Ay, happy birthday to you. Sige na, mamaya pagkatapos bibigay ko.
Happy birthday
Sing mo
to
na.
you. Ay,
To me.
tapos
Dali na.
eh.
Kasi pa, dali. Happy birthday, baby. Guys, ayun, pinalitan ko kortina, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ayan o, eto, guys.
Ayan, oh. Pink.
Ginamay naman na.
Tsaka, ay, wag! Ano mo? Ba't mo binubuksan? Kasaway talaga itong batang ire. Halika dito. O, dali na. Happy birthday, baby! Iyak ang aking pamangkin. Happy birthday! Pasaway, oh, dumudukot siya ng candy, guys, oh. Dumudukot siya ng candy. Masyado siyang sa candy niya. Halika, dali. Halika dito, Cam. Tanggal na naman ng kortina ko, oh. Kinabit ko kahapon. Nagpalit ako ng kortina kahapon, guys. Ayan. Iba yung color. Ayan.
Candy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ay ba, guys? Candy. Pang
Gaso candy. Sa'yo ba to?
cake.
Order lang. Pang cake
Order?
to.
Aldina! Ba't ka na ganyan? Pasaway yung batang yun. Ikaw, ha? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sabi mo,
Ate,
guys,
mga
please
kaibigan
subscribe.
ko,
Sabi mo,
nakahintay.
guys, please subscribe
Nagtatago
to my
sila, guys.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Iiyak ang aking pamangkin, guys. So, ayan, no? Pasaway muna kami. Iyak ng iyak ang aking pamangkin dun sa loob. So, please subscribe and like and share. Birthday. Happy birthday. Okay na. Bye na.
Bye-bye.
O guys, okay na. May gagawin pa po ako. Ako'y maglalaban ng isang katurba. So, update lang po kami. God bless you all, guys.